I rewrite the systems that control capital. Wealth operative. Do you know how much money you lost yesterday while you slept? $2.47 if you held just $3,000 in cash. That's $900 a year. Evaporating.
Meanwhile, your savings account pays $15 in a year, and your credit card charges over $1,000. That is the silent transfer of wealth from you to them.
So forget theory. Here's how you take control. Not in decades, in days.
3 kinds of capital: defense, growth, offensive. Defense capital, survival buffer, 3 to 6 months of essentials. Where? High yield savings, Marcus, Ally, CIT. Rates today, 4.2 to 4.5%. Metric, runway months.
Growth capital, silent compounding, index funds like VTSAX, FZROX, VOO, expense ratios under 0.1%. Historic long-run real returns 6 to 7%. Metric, savings rate, 20% once debt is contained.
Offensive capital, trajectory changers, cap 5 to 10%. Examples: 500 max in Bitcoin with a 20% stop loss, 300 for a course that raises your hourly rate, 200 to test a digital product or a template. Rule, capped downside, 5 times upside potential.
System 1, Cashflow Autopilot, day after payday. Money roots itself, buffer, growth, debt attack. No friction, no emotion.
System 2, debt compression. A PR means annual percentage rate, the real cost of your debt. List all balances. Sort by APR. Metric, weighted average APR, your bleeding rate. Target, single digits.
System 3, income ladder. Pick one skill you already have. Research 3 ways people monetize it online. Choose one. Test it in 90 days. Metric, proof of concept, not proof of profit.
System 4, the scoreboard. 5 numbers only. Runway months. Savings rate, weighted APR, net worth delta, asset income. Review weekly. If a number worsens twice in a row, pull a lever.
Day 1. List every account, balances, APRs, expenses. Day 2. Open a buffer account. Automate a transfer. Day 3. Build your debt attack. Extra payment to the highest APR. Day 4. Confirm your index fund setup. Automate a small contribution.
Day 5, research 1 monetizable skill. Document 3 paths. Day 6, build your scoreboard. Day 7, kill 1 leak. Cancel a subscription. Requote a bill. 7 days, not glamorous, but every step compounds.
Week 1. Numbers exposed. Week 2. Debt shrinking. Buffer rising. Week 3. Growth contributions normalize. Week 4. First income test underway.
After 90 days, runway secured. A PR cut in half. Assets compounding. Proof of a new income stream.
Money is not freedom, but without controlling it, you'll never buy back your time.
Systems build freedom. Control inputs. Measure outputs. The next move is yours.